If you're looking to streamline your email marketing and boost engagement, learning how to use Mailchimp's automation workflows is a game changer. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automation workflows in Mailchimp so you can save time and send the right messages at the right moments. Stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive bonus offer that you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about why automation workflows are essential. With Mailchimp's automation features, you can trigger messages based on specific actions or times, allowing you to nurture leads and engage with your audience automatically. It's all about making sure the right people get the right message at the perfect time, and this helps you drive sales and build relationships without lifting a finger. The next thing we'll cover is creating a simple workflow. From your Mailchimp dashboard, go to the Automations tab. Click on Create and choose the type of workflow that fits your needs. You'll see options like a welcome email series, abandoned cart reminders, or post-purchase follow-ups. If you want to create a custom workflow, you can start from scratch and select triggers that match your goals. Now, let's talk triggers. A trigger is an event that kicks off your automation. For example, you could set a trigger for when someone subscribes to your list or when they abandon a cart. These triggers are crucial for ensuring that your emails go out exactly when they're most likely to have an impact. For instance, a welcome email might go out as soon as someone joins your list, and that could be the first step in nurturing a potential customer into a loyal one. The fourth thing I want to mention is creating actions. After setting the trigger, you'll set actions, what happens next. For example, once someone subscribes, you might send them a welcome email, followed by a series of educational emails or a discount offer after a few days. You can also set up follow-up emails based on whether the recipient opened or clicked on previous emails, so the workflow can adapt to their behavior. Next, let's dive into conditions and filters. These are powerful tools that let you send different emails to different people within the same workflow. You can set conditions based on how someone interacts with your emails. For instance, if someone clicks a link in your welcome email, they might enter a new segment and receive a more targeted message. This helps ensure that each subscriber gets the most relevant information, which leads to higher engagement and conversions. The last thing I want to mention is testing and optimizing your workflow. Mailchimp allows you to B test different subject lines, content, and even timing within your automation. This means you can continuously refine your workflows to get the best results possible. Don't just set it and forget it. Regularly reviewing your performance and tweaking your campaigns is the key to long-term success. So now you know how to use Mailchimp's automation workflows to boost engagement and streamline your email marketing process. And remember, if you're looking to get started with Mailchimp, you can use the software completely free with exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching. I hope you now feel more confident in setting up automation workflows in Mailchimp. Be sure to check out that exclusive free trial in the description. Don't miss out.